What is up, everyone? I'm here to show you how to make this gluten-free vegan low glycemic oat pancake recipe that tastes so delicious you'll never want to eat out again for breakfast because it tastes that good. To a large bowl, add in 2 cups of oat flour, then add in 2 cups of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sugar, and last add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Now go ahead and grab a whisk out and start whisking that until it becomes a super smooth batter. Now to a large non-stick pan, add in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. You only need to add the oil once, and turn the stove top onto a medium heat. And then go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup worth of your batter in there and place it on in there. And when it starts to bubble up on the top, that's how you know you're going to flip it over to the other side. After you go ahead and flip it over, let that cook on the other side for about 45 seconds. And then after it's done, go ahead and bring it over to a large plate and start getting the batter ready and do it to the rest of your pancakes. Look at all those delicious pancakes you just made. Now go ahead and top it off with your favorite toppings. I'm personally going to use syrup. If you're low glycemic, then you can just add some monk fruit on top, sprinkled on top, and enjoy it as it is. It is so delicious. I love this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Any questions? Tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram or Facebook or message me and I'll be so glad to answer any questions you may have. And if you do make this recipe, I would love to see your pictures. Tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram or Facebook fan page, message me it, and I'll give you a shout out and a vlog.